welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. I'm super excited to bring today's video to you because I have created a brand new small little glam office space, and the majority of the items are really affordable and the majority of them are from Amazon. So I cannot wait to share all of it with you. So just to give you a brief background, as you guys know, with the current situation, a lot of us have been working from home. So when this all first began, I was told we'd be working home for about 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks turned into a month, and then now a month has turned into 2 months. So my office space for a while has been the kitchen. So we have an island in our kitchen, and that's where I've been setting up my laptop every day when I've been working from home. My daughter has a little desk in the living room, so it kind of helps me keep an eye on her. And I found that that worked temporarily, but I wanted to create an office space for myself where, you know, at night I could just set something up if I wanted to work really quick, if I wanted to do editing. I needed a private space to get away from the kitchen. If I'm on a conference call, just my own little place that I could go. Now, we do currently have an office space upstairs, but it's very masculine and it kind of caters more to my husband. So I really wanted to create a little space of my own. The problem is we didn't really have another place in the house to do it because every little space was filled up. So I thought to myself, okay, well, where can I create a really small space? It's not going to take up a lot of room. It's not going to look like gaudy. And I thought, and how can I do it on a budget? So I had this corner in my bedroom that I had a mirror there, and I thought, you know what, that would be a really, really good spot to put a little desk because I do have a dresser, and the dresser would kind of hide the desk as you're coming in so you wouldn't really see it. As you know, a lot of the stores are closed right now, so HomeGoods being one of my favorite stores, I've not been able to go. So all of my shopping had to be done on Amazon. So like I said, everything I'm going to show you today was purchased on Amazon. I think I have one item from Target, and then I have 1 or 2 items that I already owned from around the house that I will share with you as well. It's still not completely done. I could find a couple other knickknacks here and there to add to it. I might put something on the wall too, but I wanted to show you guys what I had so far in the event you guys are looking to create something for yourself where you just want to get some inspiration or just some ideas of how you can create a space for yourself that's not going to cost a lot and you don't need a full room. Right now, my little desk that I created is in my bedroom. So without further ado, if you guys want to see my new office space, then keep watching. I'm going to kind of do a voiceover and walk you through everything. And if you have any questions on anything, feel free to let me know. And I will be sure, like usual, to link everything down in the description box below. So I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're doing well. And I hope you enjoy my new glam office space. Okay guys, so this is my new little office space. And I love it. It's so glam and girly. It combines pink and white and silver, which are some of my favorite color combinations, and I think it's going to be the perfect spot to just set up a laptop and do a little bit of work. I have my acrylic chair, the pillow, everything. So I think this is going to be the perfect space. So I will go ahead and break everything down for you. The first thing I wanted to do to complement the desk is to get one of these ghost oval back chairs. It's really affordable. I got it on Amazon for about $60, and I just think the beautiful acrylic goes really, really well with the aesthetic of the room. Then I wanted to make the chair a little more comfortable, so I found this shabby chic pillow at Target. It's pink, and I thought the shade of pink just went really, really well with the YSL canvas photo that I found online. Not to mention, this is super smooth and soft, which you cannot beat that. Then I have this trash can, or this waste basket that I already had. I purchased it from HomeGoods, but I just thought the silver and sparkle went perfect with the decor. Okay, now let's talk a little about the desk. The desk I got on Amazon. This is called the Acme Colleen White Desk. I opted for a white and silver desk. This is really affordable. It's a rectangular writing desk with 2 storage drawers. And it has a lot of space, as you can see, so I can put pens and pencils and notebooks. Love that it has so much space, and it has double knobs. And then at the bottom, it also has the metal X-shaped base, but it also has a wood top. Then this is my little girl. This is one of my favorite pictures of her when she was about 3 months old. I found this beautiful sparkle frame at HomeGoods. I already had it, but I thought it went really, really well with the decor. Now this picture. So this picture is kind of what I started with to decorate the desk. This was kind of my main focus. I found this on Amazon. I want to say I got it for like $50, but I just loved the shoes with the bows. You can see that it is a canvas print. You can either place it up against the wall or you can hang it on the wall, but it just is a perfect decor piece. I absolutely love it, and I just think it looks so glam and girly and just goes great for the aesthetic that I was going for. You guys, I am a huge fan of these fat little potted flowers, especially roses. I got these from HomeGoods, and I just thought this pink was so pretty. I already had these in my bedroom, but I thought they looked really, really well with the decor. Now I had to have some fashion books, so I picked up this Coco Chanel fashion book. I got this on Amazon for about $20, and it includes about 100 illustrations from Chanel history. And it just went really, really nicely with the decor. And I was actually even thinking of getting another book as well. They had a Dior book that was gray that I thought would also go well, but you can't beat that for 20 bucks. And then there's the beautiful classic flap on the back. Next, I wanted to get this beautiful Kate Spade book, All in Good Taste. This was $20 as well. I love the color of the pink. Very, very beautiful. And in the book, it includes a bunch of recipes and a lot of other how-tos. It's just a really good decor piece, and I thought it paired really, really nicely with the Chanel book. I also found this beautiful pink and marble notebook from HomeGoods. I think it was $7 for a pack of 3 that paired nicely. So there you have it, guys. That is the overview of this chic little office. Like I said, the majority of the items were so affordable. I will be sure to link them below. It just goes to show you that if you guys are looking for a small office space, you can create it on an affordable budget.